To format a date, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to format the birth dates in column B. I first select all the cells below birth date. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse. And from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click on the tab Number. Fourth, since I want to format a date, from the category list, I select Date. Fifth, from the type list, I choose the one that shows the day and month in letters. Notice that the sample area shows how the formatted date will look. Finally, I click OK. And the contents of the selected cells get formatted.